Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn Tech with Smriti. So as I discussed that I started a new playlist about data structure and algorithm in which in between we also prepare for interview. Yesterday I was introduced that which topic we will cover in our playlist and our this series. So today is the first video for creating first week one content. So in week one, the first topic is what is algorithm. So basically, initially we will cover theoretical topic. Then after, whenever the data structures like in which we store the data is coming, then we will also do practical and we will also do programming. So let's say start it. So first topic is what is algorithm. By definition, so, an algorithm is a step by step process to solve a specific problem. What it means, like whenever we do any work, we start any work. So, there is a steps that first we do this, then we do this, then after that, then follow these steps and we do any work. So, that steps be an algorithm will be algorithm like if we real life example, so making a maggie. For making maggie, we initially boil water. After boiling water, add noodles. Then whenever noodles boils, then add taste maker, like, and after that we cook for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes it's ready to serve. These 5 steps are using for making a Maggie. These steps called algorithm. It's clear step to solve a task. Like when we clear all steps to solve a task, then these convert into algorithm. And in coding interview as well as real problems, we cannot start immediately work. Even we cannot start writing code. So initially think how can we solve the problem? How can we do this? So this how is your algorithm. So these steps is called algorithm. Let's understand it with an example. So basic example is add two numbers. We have two numbers like 10 and 20. So for adding this number, what we need initially we should have two numbers, take two numbers, then we have add them like 10 plus 20. After that we get 30. So this 30 will return the result. So these three steps are algorithm for that problem. Now we'll convert it into other code. Firstly we create a class, then this is our main method. So after that we get two numbers, 10 and 20. Then second step, add them. We add 10 plus 20 and store in a variable sum. Then after that we print this. We can either print it, either we can return it as a result. So this is our add two numbers algorithm. Next key point for this, like for a good algorithm, what should be necessary? Like every good algorithm must end with no infinite loop. And second point is it should work for all possible inputs. Let's adding two numbers, and this is 10 and 20, and let's be number will be different like 30 40 50 60 and 1 2 0 1. So it should be this algorithm should be work for all numbers, either can be 1000 2000 or can be 0 1. It should be anything. So this will be work for all inputs. This is a property of our good algorithm. And last one is it should be clear and simple. So as simple as algorithm write code easily, and we do work easily. So we should write an algorithm clear and simple so that everyone can understand, and we will also when we write code, so it should be easy for us to writing a code. These three is a key points should be remembered when